Hello everyone, this is Mike from Boatshed Brighton, and today we're looking at Janu Mary Fisher 625 Legend. So we're looking at the cockpit section with the aft settees, with very nice upholstery and beautiful Mariner 115 engine. Lazarette locker with the swimming ladder, rod holders, and the port side deck and a wheelhouse. Very nice little shelter. And a cockpit. I'll try to have a very quick look on the side deck. Boat makes a very nice impression, very fresh, very modern design, and she's in a very nice shape too. Anchor chain locker, windlass and the anchor, beautiful stainless steel anchor. Low coach roof, wheelhouse, and moving back to the starboard side, got a little attachment for the cockpit cover. We'll be back in the cockpit. So this is Mary Fisher 625 Legend, and this is Mike from Boatshed Brighton. Thank you.